Okay, students, we have a that is 1 times 2, 2 times 2, this is all everything, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 7 times 2, 8 times 2, all these are nothing but 2 ones are tables. Okay, you have to fill it up and you have to learn the 2 ones are tables also. And similarly you have 3 ones are tables. You will be having a 3 ones are tables. You should fill it up. What is 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So you have to fill it up all this. This is a 2 ones are group, 3 ones are group. That is previous one will be a 3 ones are, two ones are and 3 ones are group. So you have to study from 1 to 12 perfectly with the tables. Okay, you have to learn the tables 1 to 12 very perfectly. Here it is showing the jumping number with the 4 ones. You have a 4 ones tables. I am written here 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 36 40 44 48 52 56 like that. See, it is a 4 ones tables, and you have to learn similar I told till your 12 you should behat it, and you have to make it very clear, right? If you learn the tables only, you can solve the multiplication problem and the division problems. Now we'll be solving the multiplication with 1 and 2 digit numbers. Let we take the first problem, 7 into 4. We'll be taking the first problem as in 7 into 4. First you should write as it is in this year into is there, no, this is the different. This 2 number is bifurcated by this sign, that is into sign, that is this side is different and this side is different. So you should write it as unit and here also unit. So next step what you have to do it HTO, that is ones, tens, hundred, and draw the lines. 2 lines should be because of the next variation. Next what you have to do it, next step it is 7 into 4. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are it is 28. You have to write like this. The first here this number should written here and the second number should be written down. So it will be represented as 7 fours are is 28. Next we go to the next problem, 6 into 5. Similarly you should write as 6 into 5. First you have to write ones, here also ones, because both the sides are one digit number. HTO 6 into 5. 6 5 is a 6 into 5. First this number should be written up and the second one should be written down. 5 6 will be represented as in 30. Next 34 into 2. We should write 34 into 2. It is ones, here tens. Ones here it is only one number, one digit, so we'll be representing as here ones. Here we have a 2 digit, we represent here ones, tens. So we'll be writing as 34. First you should write this number, that 34 you should be written ones place 4 and the tens place is 3, and take it out here the sign 2 and you will be represented as ones place as in 2. For next you have to multiply. 2 fours are is how much? It is 8. 3 twos are 6. Once again, so here is a confusion, like I am multiplied with 4 threes are. So see a 4 twos are 8, 3 twos are 6, and 0 will be, and next in 100 place nothing else it will be put it as in 0. Next problem here, 51 into 4. 51 into 4, that is will be writing as ones tens. We write here HTO, drawing a 2 lines, and will represent 51 into 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So I am written here 100 place as a 2. So this is a way to solve your problems one by one. Let we move little more with your carrying a multiplication number. Here we have a multiplication with the numbers which is higher we carrying out. Okay, 55 into 4. So first we have to write 55 into 4. The first step what you should write, ones. Here also we have your 2 digit here, ones, tens. Next, second step, HTO. We'll be writing as the second step as an HTO. Next step, what you will be writing? HTO and drawing two lines. Next, HTO, draw two lines and represent as 55 into 4. 55 into 4. We'll be writing as a 55 into 4. This upper part is there, no, this side, your left side, that you should be written up, and the right side you should be written down. The next, this is the fourth step. Next step will be 55 into 4. It is, now we should write it, 5 fours is how much? 20. 5 fours is 20. This 0 should be written down. The next, in the tens place what you have, that you should carry to the next number. So next what you have to do at multiply. 5 fours are how much? 20. 5 fours is 20. How much carry is that? 2. So 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. We'll be writing as 2, 2. That is 22. See, once again I'll be telling for students once again here, because of your carrying method, first first step you should write 55 into 4. Ones, ones, tens. Ones, ones, and 10. That is the first step. Second step, you should write 100 HT, 1000 HTO. This is the second step. Next step, what you have to do is draw a two line. Next step, what you should write, 1000, 100, tens, ones. Draw the two lines and write 55 into 4. 55 into 4. We'll be writing as in 55 into 4. This 55 into 4 will be writing as 5 fours are 20. 0, 2. 5 fours are 20. Here 20 is written. No, this one's place right here, and the next what a number is carried with the next number. Next, 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 2 it is 22. 20 plus 2 it is 22. Next, we have a one more sum will be representing. Okay, 64 into 6. 64 into 6. Similarly, we'll be writing 64 into 6. We write HTO, that is ones. Here also ones, tens. This is the first step. Second step, what you have to write? 1000, 100, tens, ones. This is the second step. Third step, HTO. We'll be writing HTO. This is the steps you are writing down. Next step, HTO. That is step 4. That's 64 into 6. 64 into 6. So 6 fours are 24. 4 to carry. 6 fours are 24. So 4 will be represented here, and the 2 will be carried to the next number. Next, 6 6 are 36. What the next will be getting as 36. What's the carry over here? 2 plus 2 is equal to 36 plus 2 is equal to 38. That I am written here. Once again I will be telling for students here. First, HTO will be represented. The what you have, the bigger number in your left hand side, that you should be written. That is ones place, here tens place. Next you will be having a into. Okay, that is the fourth step. Next step, what you have to write? Similarly, HTO. Why I am writing with the each step means you should follow it that in the correct manner. Directly you can write this step also. I'll show you the one more problem for you. Next, what you have to write? 64. That is ones place and tens place, and you make it add into 6. 6 was a how much? 24. 4 to carry. Next, 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38. So this will be your number. This is a how to write this the number. Okay. Here HTO. See here I'm written the problem. See here 48 into 3. And so 8 is written in ones place, 4 written in the tens place. Into 3. Into 3. Okay. Next we have to multiply. 3 8 is how much? 24. So 4 to carry to the next number. Next 4 3 is a 12. What's a 12 I'm written here, and what's a carry here? Plus 2, that is 14. So I am written here 14. So first 8 3 8 or 8 3 is similar. So I'm written directly as 8 3 24. 4 into 8 24, it is written as 4 and 2 is here, and 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, it is 14. So we'll be writing as 14. So this is the way you should solve the problems.